Welcome to Digital Chronicles, a blog website built using React. In this video, I'll walk you through how this project is structured and how it works. This is a React-based blog website with seamless navigation using React Router. It features pages like Home, About, Blog Posts, Contact, and a 404 Not Found page. Plus, it includes a dark mode feature that remembers user preferences. Project structure. Starting point, index.js. This is the entry point of our application. It renders the app component and wraps it with theme provider for dark mode support. Main application, app.js. Defines the overall structure, uses React Router to handle navigation between pages. Includes header, footer, and scroll to top for a smooth browsing experience. Styling, app CSS, defines the site's overall look and feel. Uses CSS variables for colors and transitions. Includes responsive styles for mobile users. Pages explained. Homepage, home.js. Displays a list of blog posts. Includes a search bar to filter posts by title, date, or author. Clicking on a post takes you to its detailed page. Blog post page, blog.post.js. Fetches a blog post based on its ID from the URL. Displays the title, image, author, date, and content. Uses dangerously center HTML to safely render HTML content. About page, About introduces Digital Chronicles, explains the purpose and mission of the blog. Contact page, includes a form where users can send messages. Uses email.js to send emails. Displays success or error messages after form submission. 404 page, not found.js, shown when users visit an invalid URL. Provides a link back to the home page. Components breakdown, header.js, contains navigation links, includes a toggle button for dark and light mode. Footer, displays copyright info and social media links. Adjusts colors based on dark mode settings. Scroll to top, ensures pages load from the top when navigating. Manages dark mode using React Context API. Saves user preference in local storage. Provides a toggle theme function to switch between themes. And that's a wrap. This project is a fully functional blog platform with smooth navigation, a well-structured UI, and a user-friendly dark mode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.